Hello, and today we are looking at the Gemini jet Qatar Airways Boeing 737 MAX 8 in 1/400 scale. As you can see, it comes packaged in this very nice little presentation box, which we have an image of the plane found inside here. This is identical to what is found inside. We have the model of the plane, the Boeing 737 MAX 8, and nice big and bold here, the airline it is, which is Qatar Airways, and their nice little logo here. Turning to the back of the box, we have another image of the plane, this time from the other side, and a little info about what a Gemini jet is. Turning back to the front of the box, as you can see here, it says look inside. Just lift it up, and then you can see the model inside the box without having to get it out. So you can have it on display really easily if you don't want to actually get it out and risk damaging the model. And we can see it looks really nice. And then over here on the lid, on the inside of the lid, it has some information about the plane. So this little top section here is a little history of the Boeing 737 MAX 8, and we will get into a little bit about that later on. And then here we have some specification information. So here with these two images here, we have the length, height and wingspan of a real 737 MAX 8 in feet and inches. And then here we have some other information you may like to know, such as cruising speed, range, max takeoff weight, and things of that nature. But let's open up the box and have a close-up look at the model itself. Here you go, it comes packaged in these two pieces of plastic. Just remove the top. And this little plastic cover here. And there you have it, the Gemini Jets Qatar Airways Boeing 737 MAX 8 in 1/400 scale. As you can see, it's a nice detailed die-cast metal model. Now let's look at some of the details now. Let's start with the big part of it, which is the wings. Get a nice close-up. As you can see the nice details on this. You can see the flaps, you can see the ailerons. Moving to the end, so you can see the split-tip winglets of the 737. You see now we can get close up at the jet engines, looking very nice. You can see this is a twin jet airliner. It's head for the two engines, looking really nice. As you can see inside, really nice detailed interior of the engines. And then looking at the underneath, still you can see the detail remaining universal across this model. And whilst we're looking at the underside of the model, you can see the landing gear here and here, and they do have rollable wheels, as well as it says Qatar underneath, with a little Gemini Jets logo as well. Actually, there's a little hole here, and that is for a display stand if you have one, as this makes a nice little display piece for any fan or collector of Gemini Jets or model aircraft in general. Moving over here, as you can see on this wing, it also has the registration of the plane written on it, which is A7-BSC. Now let's move to the tail end of the plane, and you can see on the stabilizers, you can see the elevators and rudders on them, looking really nice. And then turn it around, you see the cockpit, and this side of the plane, to show you the level of detail is universal all across this model. Let's have a look at the livery more up close. As you can see, this is the Qatar Airways livery. This is a Qatar Airways plane. You can see the classic, like, grey all along the top with the white on the bottom. And then on the vertical stabilizer, you can see the animal on it. And this is an Arabian oryx. I'm sorry if I'm mispronouncing that, which is the national animal of Qatar. And it is in burgundy, as which is the Qatar writing here, which is the same colour found on the national flag of Qatar. This has been their livery since 2006. As you can see, it says Qatar, big and bold here, and in Arabic. Again, we've got a little Qatar flag, A7-BSC, which is its registration. We have here, has 737 MAX 8, the model of the plane, and it is also written there, 737-8 on this model. Moving over, as you can see on the jet engines, they also have the Oryx's head there. And turning around once more, there as well. Just overall, it's a really nice looking livery. Let's get into a little bit about the plane itself. This is a Boeing 737 MAX 8, which is a narrow-body airliner. And of course, I've already said this is a twin-jet airliner because it's got 2 engines. And narrow-body because it's one of the smaller-sized airliners as opposed to like a jumbo jet. And this is part of the 4th generation of the Boeing 737. Now, the original Boeing 737 began production all the way back in 1966. And this is part of, once again, it's part of their 4th generation of the 737, part of their MAX series. And the MAX series began production in 2014, and it still remains in production today. So they are currently on their 4th generation, with this being one of the models. Now, the 737 itself was developed, the 737 MAX 8 was developed to replace the 737-800 and was the first variant developed from the base model of the 737 MAX, the 737 MAX 7, and it has a longer fuselage than the MAX 7, and so that's a little bit about the specific MAX 8, but the 737 itself, up until September 2025, was the airliner with the most deliveries of the world before it was eventually surpassed by the Airbus A320. And the MAX 8 itself is the most widely ordered variant of the 737 MAX series. And this specific plane, the A7-BSC, first flew in 2021 and was delivered to Qatar Airways in 2023. Now going back to a little bit about the model itself, the model has a wingspan of about 8.9 centimeters or 3.5 inches, and it's about 9.8 centimeters long or 3.8 inches long. And it's available now from modelcorner.co.uk.